I don't know why haters be telling me to mind my business when they're out here not minding theirs. Shut your mouth and enjoy the tea. We all know you're here for it, sis.
You a vlogger, facing over. You a queen, wanna less than I'm a gozy. Oh, why me, oh, why me? Oh, why me, oh, why me? Oh, why me, oh, why?
Ninjas, how are you guys doing? It's a girl, Nishwa Joru, aka Miss Fear Focal, bring back for entertainment. If it's the first time joining me, you're most definitely welcome. Please do make sure that you subscribe and always say hit the bell. I absolutely love it. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram. It's at boldly or me. Now, my ninjas, let's go ahead and check this shout out, and I'll be back with the rest of my commentary.
Hello everyone, this is your lady Malebu and welcome to my YouTube channel Combo with Lebu. Please do subscribe, comment and share the link on my behalf. So my channel will be about vlogs. I'll be doing a lot of vlogs and hopefully to share some of the life challenges that we go through. So my vlogs will be a vlog based in China. I'm a South African living in China. So yeah, thank you guys. Bye.
Now, ninjas, today I'm going to go and start off with DJ Zinhle and Muda Bongs. This is a picture that DJ Zinhle shared to her Instagram stories, and that was from Muda Bongs Insta stories as well, if I'm not mistaken. And it is the both of them with that love emoji. Now, this makes me so happy, you guys, because for a moment I thought it ended in tears. I mean, situations be ending in tears like nobody's business, okay? But anyway, it does seem like they're still together. There's still that love over there. I do think that there was a time when DJ Zinhle started to get a little bit more public with a relationship with Muda Bongs, especially the time that AKA was very public with Nelly Tembe, who Lord rest her peace, his soul. But then, it does seem like, now they're okay. I mean, legit, I remember there was some ninjas that even came to my DMs like, oh, why miss everything okay with DJs and Muda Bongs? It does seem like everything is okay, my ninjas. Here's a picture that I actually saw, and I was really happy about this because it does seem like, they are happy. So anyway, guys, keep it strong. Keep it moving. We love you, people. Anyway, comment down below what you guys think. And yeah, let's move on to the next topic. Hey, I'm Chwazaru here, and I have some great news. If you have a YouTube channel or a business and you would like to get some affordable advertisement, I offer those services. Follow the instructions on your screen right now and say hello to some new traffic. Now let's get back to the video. The last topic you guys are going to talk about is King Munada and the fact that Muga is entangled in a pub health situation that he doesn't want to pay. Now, this is a lady by the name of Sharon Lady Shares Masia, and Ninja sent me, thank you Ninja, and said, Father God, I am no longer receiving NSFAS. At least by then, Begikona regular temoso what he needs. I really need a job because wow, Badoba patela di lawyer li magistrate just for bakhe supporter bana. That 500 year o ring udo supporter ngwana kayona give it peulwane. For now, 460, Yasasa will keep the muscle growing till I get a job. Osala na moraho le monna, nka se kgone, maximum aka hloya ngwana wa uso, your first seed. Now that's it seems like that's King Munada's baby mama. Now from what I saw, there was an article that I saw. It's like they were asking for King Munada to pay 1,500 babgeld to support the child, and it does seem like he's paying 500 if I'm not too mistaken. Like, it's just an article, you guys, that I saw people talking about. And now the mother of the child is basically coming out here and saying that King Munada will pay lawyers and magistrates so that he should not pay for his child's for the child support. And so she's now saying that he can keep the 500 or he will support whatever. Not the 460 from the government is going to support her child. So it means that now she's saying that she used to receive NSFAS, so she used to be able to do the stuff that she has to do for his child. and that, it seems like this is King Munada's firstborn. Now, King Munada is not a poor guy, you guys. King Munada actually has money. He has beautiful cars. If I'm not mistaken, he even has 2 wives, unless if maybe the other one left, or 2 baby mamas. I don't know. But I do remember that, it was there that, he had 2. Now, I don't know if the 2, maybe this other one is the one, or this other 2, and this one obviously still is not with him anymore. The biggest advice I'll give each and every woman out there is that when you go out there and you open your legs and you fall pregnant and you have a child, be sure that I am going to be 100% responsible for this child. I'll repeat that statement. When you go out there and you open your legs and you fall pregnant, be sure and trust and believe that this child is mine and I'm going to support this child 100%. Even though the father might be rich. And let me tell you why. In that way, in that mentality state, you avoid disappointments, okay? Men, unfortunately, are not like us women, okay? A man can impregnate you and dump you from the first day, finds out that you're pregnant. You can give birth to the child. You can be like, I don't ever want to see the child. The child can be 25 years old, and that's when maybe a person will be like, oh, I've got a child. But when it's a mother, it's quite different. It's you that has to deal with the pregnancy, so you have got a lot more attachment. And I feel like that's how God made it. And so it's difficult for you to can throw away your own child. Do you understand? Is she wrong from wanting child support from King Munada who has money? Absolutely not. However, with men, unfortunately, you cannot guarantee, and it does seem like Mugai doesn't want to. So now she's saying that she cannot be going up and down looking for child support and stuff. But at the same time, her saying she may refuse the 500 that will be coming from King Munada. That's actually her having pride and depriving her child. It's a very unfortunate situation, you guys. And I've always said this, even the time that I was still in a marriage, that I believe in the sanctity of family. I believe in the having kids after marriage. Now, I do understand that it is life, and I do understand that things happen. If I, for some reason, was to get married, God forbid, out of wedlock, I wouldn't go out there and be like, oh, I'm going to terminate or whatever. I'm going to have the child. However, at least the second step, if you can't get that family, then make sure that you are at a good place financially where you're going to support your child, okay? Where you're not going to have to be now, disrespected by people telling you, I can only give you 300, I can only give you 500, when you know damn well this person can afford 10,000 rands a month, but they just don't want to do that. So I think that is very, very important, you guys, especially as young women. Don't just have kids with anyone. Don't just have kids because this guy has money. Don't just have kids because maybe this guy is famous or whatever. They can choose to walk away from you and only give the child 500 rands, and what have you done with your life? So, that is that. Do I have any respect for King Munada? Absolutely none. Respect lost. And I'm not saying I'm blaming the girl. I am blaming King Munada because King Munada is supposed to be responsible for what he birthed. Now, that's if this whole change is true anyway. He's supposed to be responsible. Everyone is supposed to be responsible for what they have birthed. But unfortunately, men are not the same as women. They don't think like us. They don't have feelings like us. They don't even have those feelings towards the kids like that. So if you can't get the husband, girl, at least get the money. But you cannot not have the husband and not have the money but have the child. That one is absolutely unacceptable because now it's your child that's going to suffer. So whilst you're still looking for a husband, baby girl, be making the money, okay? And women, ninjas, that's all I have to say when it comes to this whole situation. King Munada is a definite embarrassment if obviously this is true. From you, I'm in the special. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and obviously share. And I'll see you guys in the next upload. Bye, ninjas. Would you like to start a new YouTube channel but you have no idea where to start? Or you already have one but it's not going well and you wish you could get someone give you some personal advice? Well, who better than someone with over 100,000 subscribers? I'm giving those services for a small fee, of course. The details will be on the screen somewhere here, so make sure that you follow them and say hello to a new successful YouTube channel. Now, let's go back to the video chat.